Hi, beloved. Have you gone on a 21 days fast before? And have you wondered what happens to your body? And if you have not gone on 21 days fasting before, have you also wondered what happens to your body if you try to go on a 21 days fast? Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you what really happens to your body anytime you embark on a 21 days fast. Stay tuned. Hi, beloved. Welcome to this channel, a place to build your spiritual life. And in this video, my main purpose is to show you what happens to your body when you embark on a 21 days fast. Now, I have made a video and the link is in the description bottom. I made a video on what happens to your body on a 24-hour day fast, a 3-day fast, a 7-day fast, and a 14-day fast. I urge you to watch those videos because in this video, I'm going to start on the 15th day. Now, what happens to your body when you fast on 21 days? Now, on the day 15 and the day 16, this is what happens. Your skin becomes more smoother. The smoothness of the skin begins to increase. It becomes more smoother, like very clean and very neat, very smooth. And also, the plaques on your mouth and the odor in your mouth begins to increase on day 15 and 16. Now, day 17, this is what happens to your body. Day 17, the bad breath disappears. So does the plague also goes. So on the 17th day, the bad breath begin to go. And the plagues on your mouth, on the tongue, also disappears. And this day also, you begin to feel weakness and dizziness. They just come there. You usually feel dizzy and very weak. At this stage, I will encourage you to also have enough sleep. And also at this day, on day 17, your body temperature begins to rise up. You have high rise in body temperature. Now, day 18 and day 19, this is what happens to your body. You experience weakness. You become very weak. So I encourage you to sleep more also. And also you're going to have some discomfort in your digestive tract. But there's some discomfort there. But you see, this crisis is tolerated much easier than the beginning. What happens in the beginning? This reason you can easily tolerate it. So this is what happens on the 18th and 19th day of your fasting. Finally, your 20th and 21st day. But before I give it, please subscribe to this channel if you have not. That's if you want to build your spiritual life. And also, like this video, share with your friends. Let it be a blessing to them. Day 20 and 21. This is what happens. Your mood improves significantly. You will have good mood. And also, your speech, your movement begins to slow down because you're very weak. You need to slow down. Things begin to go down. And also, at this stage, there is total absence of hunger. You don't feel very hungry anymore. That is why anytime you finish fasting, don't quickly go eat. You have to have time for recovery. And there's a video, watch it on my channel, how to break your fast. Very important. God bless you. I believe this has been a blessing to you. And I want you to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, share and like it. God bless you. Peace.